Hi, I'm joined by Will from CareCo, and today we're looking at the eDrive from Motion Healthcare. And it's a great looking scooter, isn't it, Will?
Yeah, really excited to introduce this one from Motion Healthcare. It's joining our growing electric folding scooter range. This is a type of scooter that we've really seen our customer base enjoy. So we're really excited to introduce this into our range.
And this concept of a scooter that actually folds itself electrically is quite new. I haven't seen one of these before.
No, you'll be really surprised, and they're really fantastic and really versatile as well. So the eDrive can open and close in 10 seconds at a click of a button. So you've got a remote control that's supplied with every scooter. You simply click the unfold or fold button and you hold that down, and the scooter will concertina electrically into a nice compact size. And you can store that away, or you could then lift that into the boot of a car. You've also got a button, an open and close button at the rear, if you did want to do it that way. But also they've included a manual fold as well, just in case you wanted to do it manually as well. So there's ultimately three ways to do it there, but the most economical or the easiest way to do it is using the remote control.
And also, just to remind ourselves, this is a travel scooter, which means you can put it in the car, you can collapse it into this really neat bag there, which also comes with it.
Yeah.
And it is light, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's 28 kilograms is the total weight without the battery. Included with every purchase, you get this storage bag. The storage bag is nice and thick, so it's going to protect the product from any damage. It's really easy to lift on and off. It's got nice access at the front as well, so you can control the scooter and maneuver it. It is ticking a lot of boxes, and it's something that we're really excited about.
Brilliant. Well, let's talk through the actual scooter, because it's got a host of other wonderful benefits on it as well.
It's really feature packed. If I start at the tiller head, you've got really easy to use controls. You've got an LED display to gauge your battery. You've got your 0 to 4 mile per hour throttle control. You've got a horn, and also you've got your charging point at the top of your tiller head as well. That's really nice. Another thing that I really love on the front of the tiller head is how easy it is to adjust the tiller height. It's a simple clip, you pull it back, and it's really easy to lift up and down.
The other feature I noticed with this particular travel scooter is the good sized wheels and the clearance.
So you've got 7-inch wheels, front and rear. They're also solid tyres as well. So again, if you're out and about, it just means that you're not going to have any worries in terms of picking up any punctures. But also you've got a really nice ground clearance there. A lot of the electric folding scooters in our range don't have the ground clearance that the eDrive has. It's got 2 inches, which is a really nice point that Motion Healthcare have designed there. Any drop curbs, any going over any gravel or anything like that, with the bigger wheels and the ground clearance, you're going to get a lot more comfortable ride.
Talking of comfort, we've got what I would call a slightly more substantial seat than you often get with travel scooters.
The seat itself is really comfortable. It's contoured. It's also got flip-up armrests, and you can also flip the backrest down. It is a little bit more substantial than a normal seat, but I think with a 10-mile range, you want to be comfortable. So that's a real key benefit of this product.
And finally, looking at the battery at the back, you mentioned that it's got the ability to charge on the tiller head.
Yes.
But you can actually also remove the battery as well.
Yeah, you can remove the battery. Another great thing about the product is it's got the on and off-board charging. It's a lithium battery, 10 amp. You simply push the battery box in and it will simply remove. On the front of the battery box is a charging point there. That means you could bring the battery box inside, charge, and then plug it back in, and you're ready to get a full range again.
And finally, it comes in 2 colours.
Yeah, 2 colours. So we've got it here in the metallic blue, but we also do it in a metallic purple as well. No, it's really exciting, fantastic product, and we're delighted to welcome it to our range.
A great scooter. Thanks very much indeed, Will.
No problem.
That's the eDrive from Motion Healthcare. You can find out more of the specifications on our website. You can pop into a store or just simply give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.